Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja. So in today's video we have a question. It says a car travels from city A to B. This is city A and this is city B, and a car is traveling from A to B first and it is going at what speed? 60 km per hour, right? And then it is returning from B to A and then it is coming at 40 km per hour. Now they are asking what is the average speed of the entire journey. Now 90% of the students say that it is 50 km per hour. That 60 plus 40 divided by 2, that will be the average speed. But this is wrong. This is not right. Okay. Then what is the right answer? We will try to understand it. Okay. Now you know what is the distance. Suppose I don't know what is the distance. Suppose I say distance is d. What is the distance? I will say distance is equal to d, right? Now how much time will it take from A to B? When the car is going from A to B, time would be equal to what? Time would be equal to distance by speed, right? We know speed is equal to distance by time. So time would be equal to distance by speed, right? And when the car is going from B to A, then time would be equal to what? Time would be equal to d by 40, right? Okay, so now we know the total distance. What is the total distance the car traveled? Total distance is d plus d, 2d, right? It went from A to B and then it came back from B to A, right? So the total distance is 2d and the total time. Now I will find total time. Total time it took, we will add the time, d by 60 plus d by 40, right? So when you add them, what will you get? If you solve it, you will get d by 24. Okay, you will take the LCM as 120, right? Then you will get 2d plus 3d, right? 5d by 120, and that is d by 24. So you know now total time and total distance. What will be the average speed? Now the speed will be equal to, what is speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. So it will be equal to 2d divided by d by 24. And when you will solve it, you will get 48 km per hour. So the right answer is 48 km per hour, not 50 km per hour. Okay. So instead of calculating average speed instantly, look at the question, analyze it, and then find the answer. And there is a short trick as well for this. I will tell you the short trick. You know what? Average speed formula. When the same distance is covered, I will write here, when the same distance is covered at speed, different speed, u and v respectively. Suppose u and v respectively. Then average speed is what? Then average speed is equal to harmonic mean. Harmonic mean means, what is the formula of harmonic mean? That is 2uv by u plus v. Okay, so like here, first u is 60 and v is 40. So average speed will be equal to 2 times 60 times 40 divided by 60 plus 40 is 100. Then you will solve it and you will get 48 km per hour. So either you can do by this formula or you can do by this method, or whatever we followed. Okay, but never calculate average speed like this. Okay, so I hope you understood this. This was really easy. If you want to watch more questions like this, then you can visit my channel. And if you like to solve maths riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.